Hello guys. Shut up, chicken. Today is this my second half or the bonus video. Today I'm gonna show you my garden. It's actually not my garden. This is Dad's garden. These are just unwanted weeds that turn well into plants. This is my dog Maui. Maui. Hey, I thought she had rabies. And here is junk. The plant spots, soils, compost. Where is my shovel here? And here are dead chilies and calamansi. And they're dead because of caterpillars. Those are basils, rosemary, lemon, this dead tree, and basil. And I show you this part right now. Maui, don't make me drop this on your cage. And here's some flourish or lush oregano still here. And then pots. I thought this was a bromeliad. I don't know what plant's this. And this is the vintage man. This is from the 70s. And that thing is a roof, by the way. There's still an ash fall. Months ago, there's a volcanic eruption just near my city. And then it rained ashes, making the soil healthy. Dead cactuses. I spilled up that. Sorry. And then unwanted dead leaves. And then a forest. This is a lush cactus, by the way. And then I don't know what plant is that, but this is a normal weed when you don't spray it with pesticide or unwanted, I don't know, the one that kills unwanted plants. And in here's my garden. Don't, I don't know. Don't mind this, okay? That's just a fake fertilizer that I made. I mean, it failed. Look at the color. So in here, what is that? Why are you crying? You see, you have this new cage, and you will be settled in here. So, I mean, down. So, this is my tomato plant, and it's the right time because it well flowered. And then I already had pollinate this, and as you see, it's still a windy day. Sorry for the noises. And then I thought this has a lot of aphids because ants get nutrition over here. You don't want aphids in your garden. I think we have ladybugs in here, native ladybugs. I mean, this tree have 3 flowers, so I got 9 flowers in total. So I hope these guys had harvest. So yeah, this is my eggplant, and eggplant. And this is my papaya tree, I think. And I think that's still similar from that papaya tree. This is my kangkong, Chinese kangkong, and I'm recycling. And in here I have mustard, and then some okra. Now had his permanent set of leaves. I think this is still an eggplant. And this is a chili. I've just transplanted this a while ago. And he will recover, okay? It will recover. Just like what happened to my eggplant. It will recover. Hey, there's a black crazy ant over there. Get the heck out of my plant. And I have 2 aloe veras. And this is my compost. Because I don't trust that soil because normally when we buy soil, they say that there was an inorganic fertilizer mixed in. And as you know, I'm really an organic farmer. And I want to collect the grass. I want to make a lawn in here. Just look at that. There's a grass that mysteriously sprouted. Then there's a lot of unwanted weeds in here. So I am gonna fix that. I mean, I will doom them by drowning. Maybe the plant might drown too. So yeah, this is my dad's welcome plant, money plant. I don't know what plant is this. And this should be a sunflower, panelo, but it didn't grow. You see what happened to hybrids? That's what happened to hybrids. This eggplant is an hybrid, but still don't flowers and then flourishes. So take me time. I'm just gonna kill these weeds. Oh, sorry if you don't see anything. I wanna collect the grass. There we go. I'm gonna place that first in here. Wait, I'm just gonna check this. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that like button. Sunset is almost here. So I hope you have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, and goodbye.